Get a job. What
a funny clip.
What are you saying?
What's calling me now? What you want, man? What you want? Hello?
Hi, so would you like to discuss your car financial choices?
Bruh.
Yo, bro, it's coming down!
Hey, what was that? Oh my god!
B-51 at church crash. I repeat, B-51 at church crash. There was only B-52 left.
Yo, what's with that?
Yo, B-52 at church crash. I repeat, B-52 at church crash.
Oh, dang it, my pipe back! Bro, this is